Are you a smart head with a gold heart? Let's learn 5 body idioms for smarts and kindness. Number 1. A good head on one's shoulders. It means being sensible and intelligent. Example: she's young but has a good head on her shoulders when making decisions. Number 2. Have a heart of gold. It means be very kind and generous. Example: my neighbor has a heart of gold. She always helps others. Number 3. By the skin of one's teeth. It means narrowly succeed or barely escape. Example: I passed the exam by the skin of my teeth. Number 4. Pain in the neck.
It means annoying person or thing.
Example: dealing with traffic is a real pain in the neck. Number 5. Get something off one's chest. It means confess or share a worry to feel better. Example: I need to get this off my chest. I've been stressed about work. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.